Education is evolving with robotics. At Jumeirah College in Dubai, learning goes beyond the classroom. As a leading British secondary school, it places strong focus on innovation and STEM education. Here, students learn robotics and automation skills through hands-on learning. To strengthen robotics education, Jumeirah College partners with AGIBOT. The school introduces the AGIBOT Magician Lite into its robotics classrooms. A compact, lightweight educational robotic arm specifically designed for K-12 classrooms. Weighing just around 2.4 kilograms with a reach of 340 millimeters and 0.2 millimeter repeatability, it's portable, collision safe, and supports multiple end effectors like soft grippers, suction cups, and pen holders for tasks such as pick and place, drawing, sorting, or simple assembly simulations. Students can program it using intuitive black-based software like AGIBOT Block, or Scratch-style interfaces for beginners, progressing to Python for advanced projects. With AGIBOT, technology becomes part of everyday learning. Students build creativity, problem-solving, and future-ready skills, empowering the next generation of innovators and engineers.